Don't skip. Yo, it's your boy Jay Tuck here with another one. Alright, so today we're gonna be doing another cover type shit. Alright, but we're gonna be doing something different. We got Don Tolliver presets for the mains. We got Uzi presets, not Uzi, Yeet presets for the Adlibs. And we got, this is the preset pack that I'm about to start, passing out the out type shit. $2 Echo God preset pack, you know what I'm saying? It's called Echo God because this shit is insane, bro. Like, this shit would literally add a whole different level, atmosphere, whole vibe to your music, you know what I'm saying? Like, so first we got Echo. Alright. Echo Barrage. Song like, watch how they make it sound way better. Like, listen to the shit. It's like I know I'm going up, but I gotta stay down. In the streets, move around, best price in the town. Hoes on my dick, got my bitch jealous. My bitch been jealous. They say I'm fine. Why? I buy ever one. You can shoot a dot, I ain't going. I'm in that con, who that is? Nigga, you know that's me. Money on his head, you still with him, but I'm still get him. Nigga ran my house, caught him at the store, he ran check. When I see that boy, he know what's up, but don't say a word. When it's SRT, it's vrooming traffic all night. Me and nigga ain't not fight. That nigga had fight for life. Free Luh Gravedigger, got like 8 knives. Free my young niggas in their pen, and they doing life. Woke up sitting every day, I'm fighting with the devil. Woke up sitting every day, I'm shooting at the devil. West to the east side, it ain't know about me. On the south side, they know I be. I would not lie, yeah, they spun on me. I would not lie, damn RIP. Just like hot fries, got a high five. Yeah, that ticket's fine, you was not that guy. Shit like suicide, all these bullets in that me. It's like I know I'm going up, but I gotta stay down. In the streets, move around, best price in the town. Hoes on my dick, got my bitch jealous. My bitch been jealous. They say I'm fine. Why? I buy ever one. You can shoot a dot, I ain't going. I'm in that con, who that is? Nigga, you know that's me. Money on his head, you still with him, but I'm still get him. Nigga ran my house, caught him at the store, he ran check. Yeah, though, you see what I'm saying though? Like, look, let's just listen to some of these Adlibs by themselves, you know what I'm saying? So, let's just go ahead and mute all this right here. And then, my bitch been jealous. Ever one. I don't say a word. But yeah, though, yeah, get at me, you know what I'm saying? You want this preset pack? Goddamn $2, $2 invest in yourself. This is gonna change your fucking music, you know what I'm saying? All them Yeet Adlibs, all them Echo and Adlibs that you wanted to do that you didn't think you could do because you only think you could do them on FL, you can't do them on BANDLAB. You could do them on BANDLAB now, my G. I just made a preset for you. So, send me that too. I got you. I'm gonna send you the preset. Feel me? But yeah, though, I'm gonna get at you on the next one.